Everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to clear site cache on Samsung Internet. The first thing you need to do is launch this Samsung Internet app, and most times it comes with the phone, but if you don't have it with the phone you can download it in the store. So once you've gotten it, the next thing you're going to do is tap on the three lines at the bottom of the screen, and then tap on settings, and then you scroll down till you see personal browsing data. Tap on it, tap on delete browsing data, and then you will see cache images and files. So highlight cache images, only make sure it is marked cache images and files. That is data used to load web pages faster when you visit them more than once. So next you click on delete data and you click on delete. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.